Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Top K. Today in this video I will tell you amazing benefits of aloe vera for hairs. Before starting the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Overview. Aloe vera is a plant that has thick leaves with a gel-like substance inside of them. It's found all over the world, and many people even grow their own. Aloe vera gel is cooling and soothing when applied to the skin, which is why it's sometimes used to treat burns and skin wounds. The best form of aloe vera to use on your hair is the raw gel of the plant. You can buy this gel in almost any pharmacy or scoop it out of leaves cut fresh from a live plant if you have one. The gel is clear in color and slightly watery. Rubbing aloe vera into your scalp and hair and letting it penetrate your hair follicles could condition and improve damaged, dry hair. After letting it sit for an hour, rinse the gel off with a mild shampoo. Aloe vera benefits for your hair. Calms an itchy scalp. Seborrheic dermatitis is the clinical term for the condition we call dandruff. The symptoms of an itchy scalp and flaking skin under your hair can be treated with aloe vera. A 1998 study found that aloe vera helped resolve the scalp inflammation that dandruff causes. The fatty acids found in the aloe plant have anti-inflammatory properties. Deep cleans oily hair. Aloe vera cleanses the hair follicle efficiently, stripping off extra sebum, trusted source oil, and residue from other hair products. But aloe vera doesn't hurt your hair strands while it cleans. Unlike other chemicals in hair products, aloe vera is gentle and preserves the integrity of your hair. Using aloe vera is a great way to get hair that looks healthier, shinier, and softer. Strengthens and repairs hair strands. Aloe vera contains trusted source vitamins A, C, and E. All three of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained trusted source in aloe vera gel. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. Aloe vera is a popular product that people use on their skin after sun exposure. This is because of its high collagen content and cooling properties. The vitamin content in aloe vera suggests that it might work to repair sun damage to your hair, too. Promotes hair growth. Aloe vera has the incredible ability to increase blood circulation, trusted source to an area. That's part of why its healing properties are so unique. When you use aloe vera on your hair and scalp, blood flow to your scalp increases. When your scalp has been cleansed and your hair has been conditioned with aloe vera, you might see that hair breakage and loss slows down. There are plenty of people who claim that aloe vera actually causes hair to grow much faster. But as of now, there's little clinical evidence to prove or disprove those claims. Risks and warnings for aloe vera. There's usually little cause for concern when using aloe vera gel, but some people are allergic to it. Before using aloe vera topically, do a patch test. Rub a small bit of aloe vera on the inside of your wrist and wait up to 2 hours to see if your skin reacts poorly. This will let you know if you have an aloe sensitivity. You should also be careful with topical aloe if you're using hydrocortisone cream on your skin. Aloe vera can increase the amount of cortisone that's absorbed by your skin when the two are used together. I hope this video helps you a lot. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.